This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your mic is recognized in OBS and choosing a push-to-talk key now. Open Settings, go to Audio, and verify your mic/auxiliary device is selected so OBS receives sound. Once done, install any virtual audio drivers only if you plan to route audio externally. Otherwise, the built-in device is fine. Make sure OBS has permission to access the microphone in your OS, so the keybind will affect the correct input when you configure it. Next, assign the push-to-talk hotkey. Open Settings, Hotkeys, find your mic/aux input, and set a key for push-to-talk. You do this so pressing the key opens the mic only when you want to speak. Then add a noise gate filter on the same source to cut ambient hiss. Set the close threshold lower than open so it's not cutting your voice. Finally, test the key while monitoring OBS's audio meter to confirm the mic only transmits during the press. To finalize, save your settings and use the hotkey inside your streaming or communication app to confirm behavior across contexts. Make sure the key isn't captured by a game or another program. If it is, bind a different key or enable global hotkeys in OBS. If you don't hear audio, check OBS's audio meter, then the log for device errors. One key troubleshooting tip: close other apps that might own the microphone, restart OBS, and reassign the hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.